I don't approve of it. I feel like now that we are in a, like a communist America now, that we're being forced to do things that we shouldn't have to do. This is a free country, and we should be able to make our own decisions.
I think it's a good thing. I'm glad to hear that the individual mandate was maintained and carried forward. I think it's important that all Americans have health insurance.
It's a two-edged sword. If you do buy insurance, you're covered. But I, in general, wish the law would have been struck down, because it just seems unjust to make it mandatory for somebody to do something when it might be on their means.
I hope it's doing the best for everybody. I hope it's going to help everybody out, especially people like me that are on Social Security disability.
I think it was a tragedy for the people, but I think in November it'll be straightened out. I like some of the provisions in it. It's just that I think that they jammed it down our throat.
It needed to be passed for the simple fact that if that law hadn't been passed, poor communities, either in the suburbs or around the way with a suburb, if that law hadn't been upheld.
I think it could go further, but it's a step in the right direction. I think we need to have universal health care. I'd like to see health care for everybody. I mean, this is America. We pay a lot of taxes. There's other countries that are smaller and they have health care that are a lot better than what ours is.
I don't believe in it. I think that it's wrong to make it a mandatory law. How are they going to enforce it, first of all? I think it's wrong. It's a police state. They're saying, and I understand there's a lot of people that have unpaid medical bills. My profession, I see that all the time. I talk to people from collections agencies looking to get bills back from hospitals, but making it a mandatory law, how are you going to, again, it goes back to how are you going to enforce that?